Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, today I have a 2019 Hyundai Accent and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear light bulbs or the rear cluster on this car. So first off, let's open up the boot. So with the boot open, you'll actually notice there's no interior or internal compartments, so we actually have to remove the cluster to get to the bulbs. Now there are a few tools you're going to need for this. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, preferably a size 2 or 3, one of the larger ones, and a 10mm socket like I've got here. So if you come here, you'll notice there's actually 4 bolts. This one's the bump stop for the boot, so we're going to remove that first, which is sometimes the toughest one. So take that all the way out, like so. Just put that aside. Now I'm going to change over to my 10mm socket, but you can stay with your Phillips if you like. And then just continue to undo the rest of them. Now that's all we're going to need to undo, so now you just need to rock the light away. And there's 2 clippers, one here and one up the top there, so pull it out. There we go. Now if you come around here, you'll actually notice that the cable there is hooked up. Just remove that. Now this will allow you to get to each of your bulbs. So all you need to do, turn them anti-clockwise, replace the bulb, pop them back in. You can do that for each of the 4 bulbs located where I'm showing you now. Now if you do want to remove the cluster completely, you'll have to take out each of the bulb carriers and then take the cluster away. And now I don't need to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead, tuck the cables back in to that hook like so, bring the light back round, just line up the 2 clips first, push that on, get our bolts from earlier and start to put them back in the holes. And there we go, that's my video on how to remove and replace the rear light cluster on a 2019 Hyundai Accent. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.